Hello everyone, my name is Bhavna Gupta. As you know that we have started an organic series, and in the previous lecture we have started about the nomenclature of aromatic compounds, and we had covered hydrocarbons, hydroxy derivatives, halogen derivatives and ethers. Now we'll start with the aldehyde and ketones. Okay, these are some of the derivatives of aldehyde and ketone. First we have, this is known as benzaldehyde. When the aldehyde group is present over the benzene ring, that is known as benzaldehyde. Okay, next we have 2-hydroxy. At this is 1 position, at this is 2 position. Okay, this is benzaldehyde, and at 2 position we have hydroxy group. So 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. And the common name of this aromatic compound is salicylaldehyde. Okay. So name of this compound is, at this is 1 position, this is 2 position. At 2 position we have phenyl, 2-phenyl ethanol, or common name is acetaldehyde. Okay, is it clear to you? Next we have, the name of this compound is 1-phenyl ethane 1-one. Okay, and the other name is phenyl methyl ketone, and the other name of this compound is acetophenone. I hope it is clear to you. The name of this compound is diphenyl ketone. Is it clear? And this is 1-phenyl propane 1-one. So this is all about the nomenclature of aldehyde and ketones. Okay, when the aldehyde or the ketone group is present over the benzene ring, when we remove one hydrogen over this position and we place any functional group, then that is known as the derivatives. So this is aldehyde and ketone. I hope it is clear to you. Nomenclature of aromatic compound of carboxylic acid. So ये हमारे पास क्या है? What is this? This is benzoic acid. Very easy. As comparative to this, this is ortho position, so orthotolic acid. Because we have, this is toluene. Okay, at this position we have tolic acid, so this is at this position we have carboxylic acid, so this is tolic acid, and this is known as salicylic acid. Okay, next is phthalic acid. When we have 2 carboxylic group present, then this is phthalic acid, and this one is isophthalic acid, and this one is terphthalic acid. Okay, when we have 1 carboxylic at this position, according to this position at ortho, and this is at meta, and this is at para position. So this will be isophthalic acid and the terphthalic acid. So these are the derivatives of carboxylic acid. I hope it is clear. Next we have acid derivatives. First one is benzoyl chloride. Okay, this is amide group, benzamide. Okay, this one is OAte group. OAte is for ester, RC double bond O R dash. Okay, so this is RC double bond O R dash. So this is methyl benzoate. Okay, so this group is anhydride. Okay, so this is R, C double bond O, C double bond O, R. So this is anhydride. So this is known as benzoic anhydride. I hope it is clear to you. So next we have, this is again OH group. Okay, and this is ethyl. So this is ethyl benzoate. This is known as phenyl benzoate. Okay, so this is one position, 2, 3, 4. 4 पे हमारे पास क्या है, ब्रोमो इथाइल 4 ब्रोमो benzoate. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. Next we have amino derivatives, and this one is when NH2 is present over the benzene, this is known as aniline. Okay, this one is known as 2-amino toluene because this whole is toluene, and this is बेंजाइल अमाइड. मैंने आपको पिछले लेक्चर में भी बताया था, फिर से रिपीट कर देती हूँ. दिस व्हेन दिस टाइप ऑफ स्ट्रक्चर इज प्रेजेंट, कोई भी ग्रुप हो सकता है, तो दिस इज नोन एज बेंजाइल. अगर इस तरह से कोई भी स्ट्रक्चर हो सकता है. ओके, सो दिस इज नोन एज बेंजल, एंड दिस वन इज नोन एज, अगर सी हमारे पास कोई भी ग्रुप लग जाए तो बेंजो, मतलब हाइड्रोजन या तीनों जगह पे कोई ग्रुप लग सकता है. सो दिस इज नोन एज बेंजाइलमाइड. Okay, next we have sulfonic acid के derivatives. One important one is benzene sulfonic acid. Again we have next we have nitro derivatives. This is nitrobenzene. Okay, so this position is known as meta. So this is known as meta nitrobenzene. Or we can say 1, 2, 3, 1, 3 dinitrobenzene. Okay, so this is all about the nomenclature of aromatic compound. हम लोगों ने around 45 to 50 aromatic compounds अभी तक कवर कर लिए. This is more than sufficient. तो आपने ये वाला लेक्चर प्लस प्रीवियस लेक्चर में हम लोगों ने कुछ हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, हाइड्रोक्सी डेरिवेटिव्स, हेलोजेंस के डेरिवेटिव्स और ईथर के डेरिवेटिव्स देखे थे, और कुछ डेरिवेटिव्स हमने इस लेक्चर में कवर किया है. सो आप दोनों लेक्चर्स को क्लब करके पढ़ सकते हो. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट टुडेज लेक्चर. अगले लेक्चर में हम लोग करेंगे आइसोमेरिज्म के बारे में. ओके, सो टिल देन थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स फॉर द लेक्चर.